I'm going to add up every positive whole number, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and so on, forever, all the way to infinity. And the answer is not infinity, the answer is negative, and it's a fraction. The sum of every positive number, all of them, is minus 1/12. That should be impossible. Adding positive numbers can't give you something negative, let alone a fraction. Mathematicians literally went to war over this equation. And yet, physicists use this exact result in the real world, and it gives the right answer. So let me show you the proof, the catch that nobody mentions, and why minus 1/12 is real anyway. First, let's be clear. If you just keep adding 1, 2, 3, 4, the running total climbs forever with no limit. By the normal meaning of sum, the answer really is infinity. So to get anywhere near minus 1/12, we need two strange warm-up sums first. Look at this one. 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, forever. The total flickers between 1 and 0 and never settles. But there's a sensible value to assign it, sitting right in the middle, 1/2. Now this one, 1, minus 2, plus 3, minus 4, and so on. Using the same kind of reasoning, this series gets the value 1/4. Hold on to those two, 1/2 and 1/4. Now the magic trick. Call our big sum S, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, forever. And call the second warm-up sum, 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4, S2, which we just said is 1/4. Subtract S2 from S, lining the terms up. 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus negative 2 is 4, 3 minus 3 is 0, 4 minus negative 4 is 8. What's left is 0, 4, 0, 8, 0, 12. That's 4 plus 8 plus 12, which is just 4 times 1 plus 2 plus 3 again. In other words, S minus S2 equals 4 times S. So S minus 1/4 equals 4S. Solve it, and S equals minus 1/12. There it is. Now, the catch that the viral versions skip. That was not ordinary addition. If you literally pile up 1, 2, 3, 4, you get infinity, full stop. The trick worked because we quietly assigned values to sums that don't actually converge. So what is minus 1/12 really? It's something deeper. There's a famous function, the Riemann zeta function, and when you carefully extend it using a tool called analytic continuation, it spits out exactly minus 1/12 at the point that lines up with 1 plus 2 plus 3. Mathematicians call this Ramanujan summation. The honest way to read the equation is not, this pile of numbers equals minus a 12th. It's, the deep value hidden underneath this series is minus 1/12. The equals sign is doing something subtle, and that is exactly what everyone fights about. So, is it just a clever redefinition? Here's the part that gives me chills. Take 2 flat metal plates, uncharged, and place them a hair apart in a complete vacuum. Empty space pushes them together. This is the Casimir effect, and it's real, measured in laboratories. To calculate that force, physicists have to add up the energy of every vibration in the vacuum, which gives 1 plus 2 plus 3 forever. If they use infinity, the math is useless. But if they replace it with minus 1/12, out comes a finite number, and it matches the experiment exactly. The same value appears in string theory, helping pin down the dimensions of the universe. Nature, it seems, also thinks the answer is minus 1/12. So that's 16. The thing that broke this time was addition itself, the most basic operation you know, quietly hiding a negative fraction inside an infinite pile of positives. Brain, 0. Math, 16. And honestly, this is the one to argue about, so go ahead, the comments are open and both sides are kind of right. If your intuition just took its 16th loss and somehow enjoyed it, there are 15 more waiting from the very beginning. Every playlist is linked. Subscribe because math is undefeated and I'm keeping score.